In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in QuickBooks Online. We'll begin by turning on the inventory features you need inside QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks and click on Settings. From there, select Account and Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Sales tab because that's where the product and inventory options are managed. Inside the Products and Services section, click Edit. Here you'll want to turn on three important options. Enable the setting to show the product or service column on sales forms, then turn on Track Quantity and Price or Rate, and also turn on Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. These options work together to let QuickBooks monitor what you sell, how much you have available, and how inventory appears on transactions like invoices. After all three are enabled, click Save to apply the changes. Now that inventory tracking is active, head over to Sales and Get Paid. Next, click on Sales Transactions. This area is where you can create the transactions that connect directly to your inventory records. Click New Transaction and then choose Invoice. Opening an invoice is a practical way to access your product and service list while also preparing to sell inventory items correctly. On the Products and Services section of the invoice, click New and choose Inventory. This creates a brand new inventory item directly from the form. Start by entering the item's name, SKU, and category. These details help you stay organized, especially if you manage multiple products. A clear item name and SKU can make future searches and reporting much easier. After that, enter the initial quantity on hand along with the as of date. This tells QuickBooks how many units you currently have in stock and the exact date that quantity became accurate. It's important to use the correct date so your inventory reporting starts from the right point. Next, set a reorder point. This is a helpful threshold that allows QuickBooks to alert you when stock is getting low. It can help prevent shortages and make reordering more consistent. Then enter the sales price or rate, the cost, and assign the item to an inventory asset account. The sales price is what you charge customers, while the cost reflects what the item costs your business. The inventory asset account is important because it tells QuickBooks where to track the value of the inventory on your books. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, the item is ready to use and QuickBooks can begin tracking purchases and sales tied to it. As inventory moves in and out, you can also adjust inventory levels whenever needed to reflect corrections, damage counts, or stock updates. That's how to set up and track inventory in QuickBooks Online.